So how to add payment method on your Facebook page or Facebook ad manager? You can directly go with business.facebook.com, or if you don't want to go there, then open up your Facebook page, then press on Meta Business Suite, and under Meta Business Suite you can see the all tools available. Now here you can see billing and payment. Press on billing and payment, and then you can see this kind of interface. Now you have to press on payment method, and under payment method you can see add business payment method. Now press on add. Now you have to select your country and currency as well. I am selecting US dollar as payment currency. Now debit or credit card. Press on next, and now you have to enter your card number and details, and once done just press on save. Then your payment method will be add as a Facebook ad manager. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.